let me start off by asking you about Starkware. Introduce me to it. Give me a quick overview. What do you guys do?
So we use the Stark technology, which is zero knowledge proof protocol, basically to solve blockchain scalability problem. Specifically, the main project we're working on right now is StarkNet, which is a permissionless ZK rollup on top of Ethereum.
Okay. So walk me through the year. We are at the end of 2024. How has it been for you? Give me some highlights from the year.
So this year was very interesting. In terms of infrastructure, we made major steps forward, both in terms of reducing costs, increasing throughput, and also first steps on the path to decentralization. In terms of community, the community is greatly expanded. There are lots of teams building on Starknet, which is very exciting.
Okay. And continuing on those lines, talk to me about next year. What do you have in store for us?
So some of it is a continuation of the same. Decentralization is going to be one key part of 2025. We want to reach decentralized operation by the end of the year. It's going to happen gradually in steps. Scale is continuously going to be improved. Cost is going to continuously go down. And of course, the community, we want to get as many good teams to build as many most innovative apps on Start.
Okay, that's awesome. Tell me about one trend that you are bullish on for next year. Is it AI? Is it something else in terms of scalability? What can we expect next year in Web3?
So I think anything that requires a lot more computation power than has been possible until now, and now is becoming possible due to stuff like Starknet, I'm hot about. So AI is definitely one of them. On-chain gaming is another one of them. I think there are a bunch of things in DeFi that could benefit from a lot more computation power. It's hard to predict where innovation is going to strike, but
Yeah, but I'm excited to see what you guys do. One final question. Talk to me about India. Is it your first time here? Do you like it? How are the builders over here?
So, no, it's not my first time. I've been here several times. I haven't been to Bangalore, but I've been to India several times. This time, unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to wander around. I was just in the conferences here. The sheer talent of Indian builders is amazing. The quantity and quality of Indian builders. That's why we're zeroing in on India for a while now, and we're going to continue to do so. The main thing we need, I think, in crypto in general, is like more killer apps. And more killer apps are built by strong builders, who are innovative and creative and are going to trying out different things. So I think India is very well positioned to capitalize on that.
Thank you. Thank you for the kind words and thank you for your time, Oren.
Thank you.